I can help you, baby.
Okay, and these are pages 40 and 41 of the Let's Go 4 workbook. And on these pages, we first learned some special words over here that told us how people can move. And all of these words were nice opposites, and so they were a little bit easy to remember. And in our student books, they had picnic baskets and they looked like this.
Around.
Through.
Over.
Under.
Into.
Out of.
Here we have animals, and it's showing how the animals went. Here's how the squirrel went. Here's how the frog went. We're just gonna look at the word and match it to the letter of a picture. All right, number 1 says up. This is down, this is through, this is up. So C. Number 2, down. Well, that's A, going down. It went down. Number 3 is around. This is around, which means in a circular motion. Number 4 is through. Through means in and out. So that's B, C-A-D-B. Okay, now the frog. Number 5, over. This one is over because it's going up and down over the lily pad. So E, under, the opposite of over, is here because it went down and up the lily pad. The frog went under the lily pad. Into just means in, so that's here. It went into the pond, so that's F. And out of just means out, which is here, H. It went out of the pond. And part A is done. And this is part B. It says read and circle. So we have to make sentences about where the person or the people went. And it kind of looked like this in your student book. Okay, so let's just circle and make our sentences. Number 1, he went into or out of the woods. Well, this is in, so into. Number 2, they went up or down a hill. This part is a hill, it's like a small mountain, and they are going up. So we circle up. Number 3, she went through or over a tunnel. This is a tunnel, and she went into and out of, so that's through. And number 4, he went around or under a bridge. Well, this is going under right here. So we'll say under. And part B is done. Okay, this is part C. And again, we're going to use the same pattern just to tell where the person went. And we have to put in 2 different things. So this can be a little bit tricky with the pictures here. We're just going to try our best. So first, this girl, she went, and for what I think these are the woods over here. So I think she went out of the woods and then up a hill. So that's what I'm going to write. But there could be other answers too. She went out of the woods and up a hill. Okay. And now this boy, he went, well, here's one action, going in, and another action is out. And I could say through, but then there's no number 2. So we'll say into and out of. He went into the woods and out of the woods. And remember, the woods just means like a forest, an area with lots of trees. Okay, number 3 is about these 2 girls. So we will say they. And I see 2 bridges, so I think they want us to use those. They went over this one and then under this one. So they went over a bridge and under a bridge. Over a bridge. These are bridges. And under a bridge. Okay, that's done. And let's do part D. This is part D, and it says complete the questions and answers. So the question and answer pattern in your book looked like this. And in this case, we're going to change the he, she part to an animal. So what's happened in the picture is all of these animals were out on the farm, and all of a sudden, it started to be stormy. So it started to rain, it started to have lightning and wind. So the animals are all running away to get to a safe spot. And we should tell where each animal went. So let's start. First, where did the bird go? Here's the bird and whoop. So they wrote, the bird went into the barn. Let's trace that. Went into the barn. This is a barn. Number 2, where the horse Okay, well, it's past tense. So I'm going to say did. Where did the horse go? The horse, past tense of go is went. The horse went. Here's the horse, and the arrow is showing the pond. Small water like this is called a pond, and we'll write into. The horse went into the pond. All right, the next one is where Here it says the cat, so we'll use the cat. Where did the cat go? The cat went, past tense of go, and here's the cat. It went up. The cat went up a tree. All right, the last one. The dog. Oh, the dog. Okay, so where did the dog go? Where did the dog go? The dog went, past tense of go. The dog is here. Oh, and it went the truck. And this is under. The dog went under the truck. Great. We are all done. Nice work, everyone.